The kidneys are two fist-sized organs located in the rear portion of the upper abdominal cavity, one on each side of the spine. Shaped like beans, the kidneys filter about 150 to 180 liters of blood daily to remove waste and extra fluid from the body. This process produces urine, which travels from the kidneys to the bladder through tubes called ureters. The kidneys serve several essential regulatory roles. They maintain the delicate balance of water, electrolytes, and minerals in the bloodstream. Fluids and salts like sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium, and phosphate must be kept at optimal levels, not too high or low. The kidneys also produce hormones that regulate blood pressure, red blood cell production, and calcium absorption. With all this important filtering and balancing, healthy kidneys are vital to overall health and quality of life. When the kidneys become damaged, it interrupts their ability to properly do their job. Excessive waste, toxins, and fluids build up inside the body. This can cause high blood pressure, fluid retention leading to swelling, fatigue, kidney stones, bone disease, and even kidney failure. Kidney disease is more common than people realize. Around 1 in 7 adults in the U.S. have chronic kidney disease. Diabetes and hypertension are major risk factors as they damage the delicate blood vessels, filters, and tubes inside the kidneys. Other risks include heart disease, smoking, recurring kidney infections, enlarged prostate, lupus, and family history. Since kidney disease is usually silent in early stages, many people aren't diagnosed until greater loss of function occurs. That's why it's critical to take preventative steps to maintain kidney health before problems arise. Making positive lifestyle changes provides your kidneys their best fighting chance to continue operating well into old age. Let's now explore the main ways to detox and cleanse your kidneys naturally. Supporting these remarkable organs with the right diet, targeted supplements, and cleansing techniques allows them to filter optimally so you feel energized and vibrant. Here are 7 powerful methods to cleanse and detox your kidneys. Number 1. Stay hydrated with water and fluids. Drinking enough fluids is crucial for healthy kidney function and detoxification. Water helps flush toxins, wastes, and excess minerals out of the kidneys. It also prevents kidney stones from forming. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water daily, and more if you are physically active or in hot environments. Other hydrating fluids like herbal tea, broth, and diluted fresh juices are also beneficial. Avoid caffeinated drinks like coffee and sodas, as well as sugary drinks, as these can dehydrate you. Dehydration allows kidney waste to accumulate and overworks these organs. Chronic dehydration stresses the kidneys and can lead to serious problems over time. Plus, proper hydration helps your kidneys filter optimally so you don't retain excess fluid and salt. This reduces bloating, water retention, fatigue, high blood pressure, and more. So be sure to drink plenty of hydrating fluids all day long to flush your kidneys and support detoxification. Proper water intake is the #1 method to keep your kidneys happy and healthy. Number 2, eat kidney cleansing foods. Eating the right foods can greatly benefit kidney health and function. A diet focused on fresh, whole foods helps reduce metabolic waste in the body and support detoxification. Some of the top kidney cleansing foods include leafy greens like spinach, kale, lettuce, berries high in antioxidants, cruciferous veggies like broccoli, cabbage, and herbs, and spices like parsley, basil, and turmeric. These foods help neutralize acids and toxins so the kidneys don't have to work as hard. Their high water and nutrient content optimizes the urinary system, limits sodium, refined grains, sugars, and animal proteins. Eat plenty of antioxidant-rich plant foods to provide your kidneys with key vitamins and minerals. Aim for a diverse, colorful, whole food diet, and stay at a healthy weight to avoid kidney burden. Following a kidney-friendly diet gives your kidneys the tools they need to filter out waste effectively for improved function. Number 3, take supplements that support kidney health. Certain vitamins, minerals, and herbs have been shown to help protect and detoxify the kidneys. Supplements provide concentrated nutrients that target kidney function and health. Some of the top supplements for kidney detoxification include turmeric, powerful anti-inflammatory that protects kidney cells; ginger, reduces inflammation and fights infections; dandelion, diuretic that removes waste and excess fluid; astragalus, boosts immune health and kidney function. Magnesium balances electrolytes and mineral levels. B vitamins support energy production in kidneys and probiotics. Boost healthy gut flora for less kidney burden. Look for high-quality supplements with research-backed ingredients. Always consult your doctor before starting new supplements, especially if you have underlying medical conditions. Adding these targeted nutrients aids detoxification and provides a defensive buffer to keep your kidneys healthy for the long run. Number 4. Lower high blood pressure. Having chronically elevated blood pressure puts a tremendous strain on the kidneys over time. Uncontrolled hypertension damages the delicate blood vessels, filters, and tubules within the kidneys. This impairs their ability to properly remove wastes and extra fluid from the blood. If you have high blood pressure, be sure to regularly monitor your levels and take any prescribed medications. Work closely with your doctor to keep your blood pressure normalized. Lifestyle changes can also help control hypertension. Follow a kidney-healthy diet lower in sodium, sugars, and saturated fats. Exercise regularly. Aim for 30+ minutes per day. Lose extra weight if overweight. Manage stress with yoga, meditation, massage. Limit alcohol intake and quit smoking and avoid secondhand smoke. Even slightly reducing your blood pressure can dramatically help preserve kidney function. Doing all you can to keep hypertension under control is critical, as uncontrolled high blood pressure is one of the biggest risk factors for developing kidney disease. So monitor your levels, take prescribed meds, and make healthy lifestyle choices for the health of your kidneys. Number 5. Manage diabetes and blood sugar. Diabetes is another major risk factor for kidney disease, as chronically high blood sugar damages the small blood vessels in the kidneys over time. If you have diabetes, be vigilant about monitoring your blood glucose levels routinely and taking medications as prescribed. Work closely with your doctor to keep your A1C and daily readings in the target range. Follow a diabetic-friendly diet lower in sugars, refined carbs, and starchy foods. Choose foods like whole grains, lean proteins, fruits, veggies, legumes, nuts, and seeds instead. Stay active with regular exercise. Routinely get your kidneys checked by your doctor to catch any early signs of diabetic kidney disease. Microalbuminuria tests check for proteins in the urine. Getting blood work monitors eGFR levels. By diligently managing diabetes and blood sugar, you can dramatically slow the progression of kidney damage and maintain healthier kidneys as you age. Tight blood sugar control is key for diabetics to preserve long-term kidney function. Number 6. Avoid exposure to toxins when possible. The kidneys act as the body's natural filter to remove wastes, toxins, and excess fluid from the blood. However, continual exposure to harmful toxins increases the burden on the kidneys and can impair their function over time. Try to limit contact with environmental toxins when possible. Be mindful of medication use. Only take over-the-counter or prescription medications when truly needed, and always follow dosage guidelines. Consider doing periodic cleansing programs using kidney-supportive herbs or juices to remove accumulated toxins. Staying hydrated also helps flush out toxins before they can build up. Reducing your everyday toxic load preserves kidney function by allowing these organs to direct energy into filtration rather than having to deal with excess toxins. Protect your kidneys by minimizing environmental and chemical exposures when possible. Number 7. Use herbal kidney cleanses and flushes. The idea that herbal remedies can help detoxify and cleanse the kidneys is often rooted in traditional medicine practices and holistic health beliefs. Here are a few reasons why some people believe in the use of herbal methods for kidney detoxification. 1. Diuretic properties. Some herbs are believed to have diuretic properties, meaning they may increase urine production. This is thought to help flush out toxins from the kidneys and the body. Examples of herbs with potential diuretic effects include dandelion, parsley, and nettle. 2. Antioxidant properties. Certain herbs are rich in antioxidants, which can help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body. This is relevant to kidney health because oxidative stress can contribute to kidney damage. Herbs like turmeric, ginger, and green tea are examples of those believed to have antioxidant properties. 3. Traditional medicine practices. Many cultures have a history of using herbs for various health purposes, including kidney health. Traditional medicine systems, such as Ayurveda and traditional Chinese medicine, often include herbal remedies for kidney support. It's crucial to approach herbal remedies with caution and consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have pre-existing health conditions or are taking medications. Some herbs may interact with medications or have side effects, and not all herbal remedies are supported by rigorous scientific evidence. Ultimately, maintaining kidney health involves a combination of factors, including staying hydrated, maintaining a balanced diet, and adopting a healthy lifestyle. If you're considering herbal remedies, it's advisable to seek guidance from a healthcare provider to ensure they align with your overall health goals. In summary, several natural approaches can keep the kidneys functioning optimally to ensure these small organs can efficiently filter waste and toxins from the body. Maintaining fluid intake, controlling blood pressure, avoiding diabetes, limiting exposure to chemicals, taking supportive supplements, and using targeted herbal cleanses offer kidney protective benefits without side effects. Even if your kidney function is currently normal, it's wise to take preventative measures to preserve long-term health. Kidney disease often develops slowly and silently over many years. Following an annual kidney health regimen provides a defensive buffer that helps delay damage from occurring in the first place. Of course, always talk to your doctor if you have chronic medical conditions or take medications that affect the kidneys. Get lab testing done routinely to monitor for kidney problems. Report any symptoms like consistently dark urine, increased fatigue, back pain, or swelling around ankles and eyes. Catching issues early allows more time to take protective steps before extensive harm occurs. With a dedication to these natural approaches, you can keep your kidneys happily filtering fluids and waste. Healthy kidneys rid the body of excess sodium, uric acid, and toxins for reduced risk of stones, gout, bone, and heart issues. This optimizes kidney function now and preserves these delicate organs well into old age. Here's to clean and healthy kidneys for life. I hope this video provided you with helpful natural ways to support and detox your kidneys from home. Poor kidney health can creep up slowly and lead to many complications if not addressed. Use the diet, lifestyle, and supplement tips in this kidney cleanse guide to flush away built-up waste, toxins, debris, and deposits. Performing an annual kidney cleanse gives your kidneys a fresh reboot and helps protect them long-term. Be proactive with your kidney health before any problems arise. Listen to your body and get checked by a doctor if you notice potential kidney issues. Finally, share this kidney health video with family and friends who may benefit from these natural tips. And let me know in the comments if you try any of the detoxes and home remedies in this kidney cleanse guide. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.